Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change incoming call interface on iPhone banner full screen. So for this purpose, open Settings app on your mobile phone and then just scroll down. Then at the bottom, you have this apps option, you need to click on it. In apps, scroll down until you find the option of phone. Here you have this phone option, you need to click on it. Then phone page will appear on your screen. In phone section, from 5 top options, you need to click on incoming calls. Here you can see it is selected as banner. When someone calls you, it's appear on your screen like this. And when you click on full screen, incoming calls look like this on your phone. If your phone is off or you are doing anything on your phone, once you click on full screen, then call will appear on your screen like this. So it's very simplest and easiest way to change incoming call interface on iPhone banner full screen. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.